inside यानी में या अंदर. on यानी पर. under beneath यानी नीचे. over above यानी ऊपर. between यानी के दरमियान. among यानी दरमियान. near close to यानी करीब. far यानी दूर. next to beside के पास. behind यानी पीछे. in front of यानी के सामने. opposite यानी मुखालिफ. at यानी पर. around means इर्द गिर्द. into यानी में. out of यानी से बाहर. towards यानी की तरफ. through यानी के जरिए. along यानी साथ. up यानी ऊपर. down यानी नीचे. Now let's practice all the prepositions with example sentences. Inside. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. The cat is inside the box. On. Where is the book? The book is on the table. Under, beneath. Where is the dog? He is under the table. He is beneath the table. Over, above. Where is the kite? The kite is over the tree. The kite is above the tree. Between. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is between two jars. Among. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is among the jars. Near, close to. Where is the owl? The owl is near the box. The owl is close to the box. Far. Where is the owl? This owl is far from the box. Next to, beside. Where is the bear? The bear is next to the chair. Behind. Where is the rat? The rat is behind the box. In front of. Where is the bicycle? The bicycle is in front of the house. Opposite. Where is the parrot? The parrot is opposite of crow. At. Where is the girl? The girl is at the bus stop. Around. Where is the owl flying? The owl is flying around the box. Into. Where is the boy going? The boy is going into the room. Out of. Where is the cat coming from? The cat is coming out of its house. Towards. Where is the dog running? The dog is running towards the boy. Through. The path goes through the hills. Along. The road runs along the river. Across. The bridge goes across the river. Up. Where are the kites flying? The kites are flying up in the sky. Down. The stones are rolling down the mountains.